Are you wondering what to do if your iPhone 16 is not charging properly? Either when you try to insert your cable, the phone doesn't charge at all, or maybe it charges incredibly slowly, or maybe you can't even properly insert your cable all the way in, or maybe if you touch your cable a bit, the charging stops and disconnects. So the most common problem why this happens is you simply have something stuck inside your charger port. For example, the most common cause is when you are placing this phone in a pocket. You have probably a bunch of lint in your pocket, and that stuff finds its way in the charger port and essentially plugs it. Also, when you are even, for example, after that plugging in your cable, you are even jamming that stuff even further inside and creating like a big layer of it. So, and eventually the phone will completely stop charging. So unfortunately, but there is actually a very simple fix, and we are going to need just a few basic tools. First, maybe like a toothbrush, like a blower that we can use to blow in air, and also the tiniest sewing needle that you can get. So again, the absolutely tiniest, smallest one. Unlike, for example, on the older iPhones, which had the lightning port, on those you could even clean out the port with a toothpick. So, but on this one, again, the Type-C is very, very small, essentially. So again, find the tiniest, smallest sewing needle you can get. Also, let me show you what the inside of the Type-C charger port looks like. So this would be your port, and inside we have one main strip that has got tiny connectors along it, maybe like 9 or 10. And so the way we are going to clean it, so while not touching these connectors, otherwise, yeah, we obviously do not want to damage them or touch them with a needle. So we are going to scrape along the edge here, and with a scooping motion try to get any junk that might be inside here. So on the bottom and on the top. I suggest not to touch the corners because there's actually not enough space in my opinion. So toothbrush for that maybe is a better option. Also, before you do it, also make sure to turn off your iPhone off completely as well. And yeah, then to do it, so let me turn on the light, for example, and let me get in. So you see, I will take my needle here, inside in my port here. Obviously you have to hold your phone like this so all the junk falls out. So you simply insert your needle inside and simply with a scooping motion work it like this. So you see, I'm sliding along the bottom edge and eventually, like with a scooping motion, trying to fish out any junk that might come out. So again, insert inside, scoop on all sides till it's clean essentially. And after that, again, follow up maybe with a blower or any other way how you can blow. So this, for example, can force a lot of air inside and blow out any junk. So this blower costs maybe like $1. You can even get them often at pharmacies as well. But this is called like a camera blower. Also, again, with a toothbrush as well, we can actually fairly easily dislodge any junk, any fine particles that might be stuck inside. And again, the needle obviously is the best tool for it. So follow up with a needle properly on both sides, clean everything out. Again, hold this, follow up with a blower, and it should be clean. Also, you can literally maybe even take a flashlight and inspect what the inside looks like. So for example, so you see, this is what a complete clean looks like. So there's nothing inside on this one. Also, when you insert your cable, it should also go all the way in, and it should be a very secure hold. For example, you see, I can literally dangle my phone around like this. So it's actually making a very good connection. So this is also a very good indication that it's working okay. Oh, also, by the way, obviously you can also inspect your cable. Maybe there's something stuck inside in the cable itself. Also, obviously, with time, your cable also might wear down. So you can maybe even try another cable if it maybe works better with that. Because as you are bending these cables, the strands inside that makes up the cable might break, and you might not even notice it's broken. Yeah, maybe you can't even see that. So yeah, maybe also try another cable and see how well it actually fits inside the phone and how well it performs. But again, yeah, for 99% of people, the needle plus blower again should do the trick and get your phone back working as new. Good luck.